new Alpine Stars and Honda. Look at these. Honda Alpine Star collaboration. I have a link below where I picked them up. motorcycledepot.com. holyshifttt for a 10% discount. Click and let go. Oh, oh, there we go. Oh, what a delight. Oh. Oh, wow. Woo. Oh, listen to that pop. What I need to fix first thing on the bike is when I set up the quick shifter. Get past it. Ooh, huh? How does that sound? I need to fix the liver, the shift peg is a little bit too low, and my boots, my enduro boots, my Alpine Stars enduro boots, they're a little bit too thick, so I can't really get under the shifter peg. So I need to raise it a little bit. Oh wow, the sound, the bike sounds great. What a bike. Oh my god. I unlocked the beast. I'm at 600 miles. I already need to do the first service. I'm going to do the service myself. Downshift. Ah, the quick shifter. Oh my god. I did get a comment of like, why did I install a quick shifter? I could have just gotten a DCT. Maybe it's a valid point, but it's actually not, because I always want to have the clutch. For my want to have my clutch for my everyday use, you know. And when I do feel like shifting with the quick shifter, I use the quick shifter. But when DCT, it's like there's no clutch whatsoever. It's like a completely automatic bike. So did you hear that? Oh my god. What a growl. Oh, and it's so much power. Oh man, this is so much fun. The bike runs beautiful. The tune on the bike is great. They say there's an improvement of like 5 to 10%. But one thing that's pretty cool that I've actually asked BT Moto is it unlocks any restriction you have on the bike, on the ECU. Now in this bike, the comes the ECU isn't locked, but actually the Transalp 750. They sell the same model in the States and in Europe, but in the States they actually restrict the horsepower to 85 or 82, and in Europe it's the horsepower is 92. It's like 10 or 12 horsepower more. And what BT Moto does with their tune, it actually eliminates that restriction. So if you buy the Transalp over here in the States and you do a BT Moto a tune, it unlocks that restriction, and you gain 12 more horsepower and torque just out of the box without even doing anything to the bike. So that is pretty cool. But the bike feels really live, feels really good. One significant thing that I felt, and I don't know it has anything to do with the engine braking, is when I let off the gas, it doesn't brake, doesn't like shut down and slow down immediately. And that was with the stock tune that I had before. No matter what I did to the engine braking, I felt that I couldn't mitigate it. I would let off the gas and the bike would immediately dip and slow down. Here with this tune, it keeps rolling, and I like that. You see? It keeps rolling. It doesn't like drop. Oh man, I tell you, this bike is so confidence inspiring. I don't even know what it is about it, but it's the whole package, I guess. The riding position, the engine, the control, the agility. And don't ask me, please don't ask me. I get a lot of questions. How does this compare to the Lowrider ST? I think it's an unfair comparison. It's kind of two different riding styles, I would say. But this is fun, and that was fun. So what we upgraded on the bike is, I have it on video as well, is I upgraded the bike to a stage 1, you would call it. What it amounts to is a high flow air intake, which is new filters, K&N filters, high intake. There's a video about that. Then what we did is removed the restricted OEM exhaust, which was good and it sounded great, but it has a catalytic converter on it and it's more restricted. And I installed a full system, a Akrapovic racing system, which sounds great and just lets a lot of airflow come out of it. And to tie everything together with a lot of air coming in and a lot of air coming out, installed, or actually flashed the ECU, installed a new BT Moto map on it. And by doing so, increased the horsepower and the torque by about, I'd say 10%. Those are the numbers that I've heard of. But unleashed, by doing this upgrade, unleashed the full potential of this bike, which is, it's got a smooth running engine, and the sound on this bike, the sound of this exhaust is amazing. The parallel 12 with a 270 crank firing order, it's amazing. I'm sure you can hear it yourself. You hear that power? Aren't Teslas supposed to be fast cars? Why is he on the left lane driving so slow? Sometimes it's just fun to go out for a quick half hour, an hour ride, just around the block, just to breathe some fresh air, some gas fumes. Wow, the bike runs so smooth, so nice. Listen to the growl. You hear that? Oh my God. Nothing can top that. Oh my God. So satisfying. You have no clue. That's it. I'm energized for the week. I leave for work tomorrow morning. What a fun bike to ride, I'm telling you. Oh my God. Such a joy. What a fun ride. What a fun ride. Let me tell you. Yeah, wow. Bike runs great. Highly recommend. I'm going to have links below where you can get all of the, things that I installed, the gear that I'm wearing also from Motorcycle Depot with my discount code. Oh man, enjoyable. So nice. Peace out, guys.